Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. Today I have a really exciting job lead that is data entry that pays really well. I just came across that I couldn't wait to share. But real quick, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads and bring them to you daily. So if you never want to miss another job lead posted, make sure you subscribe and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. But let's not waste any time with this one so you can go get your applications in. The company Defiant, and they have been featured on my channel before. They're more of a startup company. They are hiring a vulnerability data entry analyst. Now, this does give a little bit of information about their company, but this is a contract position with a strict deadline for completion of all of the tasks. They're expecting needing someone 30 to 40 hours a week for approximately 9 weeks. And they do work with like blog related WordPress themed websites. They are paying an hourly rate of $30 to $40 depending on experience. They are giving a one-time $1,000 hiring bonus, and they're also offering $500 bonuses every 3 weeks for an additional $1,500 for the 9-week contract if performance indicators are met with quality work. Now, they do use apps like Slack, Fogbuzz, GitHub, and Google Apps for their workflow. They are looking for someone to process and create vulnerability entries for WordPress-related vulnerabilities that consist of calculating a CVSS score, choosing an appropriate CWE based on the vulnerability type, and writing an accurate description. They're also looking for someone to find resources on vulnerabilities that can assist in populating their data, and someone to research and validate the historical vulnerability data. So this is to do in the technical blogging WordPress space. They're saying their ideal candidate will have certifications related to data entry or information security, experience with vulnerability research in the WordPress ecosystem, and the ability to easily find and identify vulnerabilities in WordPress and find plugins and themes and patch those vulnerabilities. They are also looking for someone experienced in performing data entry related tasks where some technical proficiency and additional analysis is required to perform the data entry, someone experienced in writing short descriptions for vulnerabilities, and the ability to speak and write fluently in English, because they do hire worldwide. And it does say telecommuting with their company has been 100% remote for over the last 5 years. So no fear, this job is 100% work from home. All right, this sounded like such a great opportunity for someone. I just wanted to get it out there and share with you before this position got filled. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. I will be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. In the meantime, feel free to check out any of the playlists that I have linked down in the description below. You might find a recently posted job lead that is a great fit for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.